Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing Kobo Libra 2. So simply open it like a book, and inside in front you can already see the device that we're looking after, and as you can see it's also protected by this little foil that is sticking. You can simply remove it by pressing on this gap right here. The next thing we see are some instructions. So there's some paperwork. You can read it, of course. You should read it. And if you find any trouble using the device, you can of course see the instructions on how to do some stuff. Next thing is cable. And that's basically it for this box. So here's the cable, which is USB-C and normal USB, but there's no charging socket, so keep in mind that it's not included inside that box. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.